question ko, gaano ba kahirap ang maging ideal father? Kasi madaling yun nga ibig sabihin, di ba? Madaling maging ama, pero magpaka-ama, mahirap.
Well, for me, medyo madali. I learned from the best. My dad's an excellent dad. And I had 35 years of tutoring and still learning from him. So, para sa akin, it comes as second nature. But yung effectivity at yung kagalingan ko as a dad, siguro makikita natin yan. You have to ask my children as they grow up. Kasi I can only hope to give them the best. Pero ang totoong effect niya, makikita natin when they have to deal with life already. Maswerte lang ako, kaya kong magpaaral ng mga anak at kaya kong magpakain 3 beses ang araw. Pero hindi naman doon nagtatapos ang pagiging ama. I think the real test of a dad is when my kids have to face the real world. And I hope to have taught them very well.
So ngayon ba nakikita mo na yung mga anak mo na disiplinado naman, napapalaki mo ng tama?
Oh, they're very good kids, and I don't want to take credit. I don't want to take full credit because me and my wife, we're a team, but also we recognize that our kids are good-natured kids, and our family plays a big part, and also our friends. Kaya rin yung mga iniingatan din namin kung sino yung nakapaligid sa mga anak namin. And we're happy that we have very good children.
Dito, right, ang anak niya si Mark Justin lang, no? In real life ba, mas choice niyo ni Juday yung small family lang? Or gusto niyo pang sundan si Lucio? Mga ilang anak pa ang gusto niyo?
Sabi ni Juday, gusto niya mga 4. Ako, okay ako sa 2. So tinanong ko sa kanya, dapat ba sa parehong ina rin? Tapos, medyo hindi ko na maalala siguro niya, nasa pack na ako pagkatapos na. Ako, dalawa kasi na kami magkapatid. So, okay lang sa akin 2. But she comes from a family of 3. So, hanggang 3, 4, game pa kami. Hindi na naman ako aangalan.
Kala ko, dream pa rin magkaroon ng basketball team.
Pwede nga na lang, baseball na lang.